In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from Gmail account. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your Google account settings page in a new tab. On the left sidebar menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Devices, then click Manage All Devices. You'll now see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Find the specific device you want to remove and click on it to open the details page. On the device details screen, click the Sign Out button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Sign Out again to finalize the removal. Once the process is complete, you'll see a notification confirming that the device has been successfully signed out. Click OK to close the message. Additionally, if you notice any device you don't recognize, you can select the option that says you don't recognize something to review and secure your account. For this demo, we'll leave it as is. You can try it now to make sure your account is only signed in on devices you trust. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.